Have a family-friendly, practical 4x4. I mean, practical interior, 4x4 ruggedness, combined with the fact it can still do the school run, and has 4 seats. But can it survive a giant set of stairs? Well, let's find out. Yeet. Oh. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh. It's okay. I mean, it's okay. Yeah, that's all I can. But it begs the question: can the same vehicle survive these weird poles of death? Let's find out. Yee. Oh. Ouch. Oh dear, this has gone bad. Ooh, crap. Oh, there goes the driver's face. Oh. Yeah, it's safe to say this thing ain't doing the school run anytime soon. Like for more, bye.